Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on indigenous technologies for Viksit Bharat. Introduction. In the dynamic journey of progress, countries often seek the latest global technologies for development. However, it is equally crucial to appreciate and utilize indigenous technologies for India. Incorporating this homegrown innovation is a key step towards achieving Viksit Bharat or a developed India. These technologies not only reflect the rich cultural heritage of the country but also provide solutions to the unique challenges faced by its diverse population. Let's explore why indigenous technologies matter and how they can shape the future of Viksit Bharat. Preservation of cultural heritage. Indigenous technologies in India are deeply embedded in its cultural heritage passed down through generations. Practices like organic farming and Ayurveda promote not only environmental sustainability but also uphold ancient traditions integral to India's identity. By preserving and promoting these techniques, India can safeguard its cultural identity while fostering sustainable development. Addressing socio-economic challenges. Indigenous technologies offer solutions to socio-economic challenges prevalent in India. Technologies developed by grassroots innovators often cater to the needs of marginalized communities, providing affordable and accessible solutions. Initiatives like the Arakku Coffee Project in Andhra Pradesh empower local communities economically by leveraging indigenous knowledge, promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. Embracing indigenous technologies fosters a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. Government initiatives like the Atal Innovation Mission provide a platform for grassroots innovators to showcase their invention and receive support for scaling up. This is not only boost local economies but also create a conducive environment for sustainable development. Environmental sustainability. Indigenous technologies often prioritize sustainability and harmony with nature. Practices such as rainwater harvesting, traditional architecture, and herbal medicine rely on natural resources without causing harm to the environment. By integrating indigenous practices into mainstream development strategies, India can mitigate the adverse effect of climate change and work towards a greener future. Challenges and the way forward. Despite their potential, indigenous technologies in India face challenges like lack of recognition, inadequate funding, and limited scalability. To fully harness and benefit of these technologies, concerted efforts are needed. Create an enabling environment that supports innovation, preserves traditional knowledge, and promote collaboration between stakeholders. Conclusion. Indigenous technologies are the cornerstone of Viksit Bharat, offering sustainable solutions to the complex challenges facing the nation. By preserving and promoting these technologies, India can foster economic growth, social inclusion, and environmental protection. Embracing indigenous knowledge system, it is not just a step towards development, it's a reaffirmation of India's identity and commitment to building a better future for generation to come. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you are like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. Bye friends.